On the result day, I was told that the topper of JEE Advanced will get a call around 8:30 from the IIT director, but I did not get any call around 8:30, and I waited till 9 and I did not get any call even till 9 o'clock. So I thought maybe I was not A1 and I forgot about that. And we were just going randomly in car to the Sri Chaitanya Institute, and suddenly my father have received a random call and we have answered that, and he put the call on speaker and the person said, "Hello, I'm from IIT Guwahati, I'm the director. Congratulations, you are the A1 of JEE 2023.